almost forgot what your names. Yeah, so I did some work on the car again this week, but it was during the work days and I didn't film it. But I just had somebody helping me mounting the bonnet, so now I hope everything is gonna be fine. These cheftash warned me that maybe the hood is gonna hit them, so I bent them a little bit. Let's see if we're gonna be able to open that properly. Oh, cool. Yeah, cheftash was right. Come on, David. I hate when you're right. Oh. Can these be further in? Oh, that works better. Okay. So what I've done is I changed the jets here. If you remember, I had issues with the old ones. They were broken. So I installed the new ones here and run the hoses inside, the tubing for the windshield washer fluid. There's basically T between the two, and then it goes inside under the dash, and from there it has to come out again over there, but I haven't run the one inside. I just run from the T going inside, and from there we're gonna do it later. And I installed this grill, and here, like I said last time, I had to remove those wings so I can bolt the hood. Now that the hood is bolted, I still need to bolt here to the side, and when I'm sure it's adjusted well, I'm gonna install the wings again. And they are, you see, I made those little brackets to the sides like I said before, and I'll show you how they clamp over there, and now they don't vibrate when I put them on. And actually I think that's it. I haven't worked much this week on it. So today is Friday, and I think I'm gonna work a little bit more on it, and yeah, we'll see what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'm gonna install the grill, I'm gonna install those wings, and we'll go from there. Okay, so now I want just to adjust the hood to have good gaps, which actually I have. It's like as if it's been here forever, so I just need to bring down those, whatever you want to call them, so it goes down. I don't have still the latch here, so that's a good thing. I'm gonna adjust the hood to lay flat and everything, and then I'm gonna adjust the latch according to the hood. So this needs to go down because it's keeping it a little bit too high. Okay, I think we should install the hood latch now, which is right here. Now I have to be very careful not to close the bonnet before we install the cable, right? Because if we do that, we are screwed. I even ordered emergency release cable that I'm not really sure where I'm gonna put, but we'll see that later. Alright, so we have here the bonnet release cable and the emergency bonnet release cable. That's aftermarket kit, because sometimes it happens that this bonnet release cable gets seized or broken or whatever, and then you can't even open your hood. So we're gonna install this emergency release cable. So we're gonna have two options to open the hood, and they go, I'll show you now how they go. So the bonnet release cable, the regular one, goes here. It's dark, I know, I don't have a light, but over here there's a bracket on the wall which is for that. then from there it comes out through this little hole under the clutch master cylinder. Then it goes, I think this way, comes on these two brackets on the wall, then loops over there and comes back and hooks up to the latch. And the emergency goes from here and into that hole, I guess, and goes in the footwell of the passenger. So I'm gonna mount them. I'm not gonna hold you here. I don't think it's something very complicated, and I'm gonna show you when it's done. Alright, here I want to make an excuse for myself before everybody starts blaming me. I want to show you something. This hole, let me pull it back a little bit. It has a flattened part on top, and this has flat part too, so it can go only this way, only one way. And then this here can go only one way, and when they go together, like this and like this, and my little car here is upside down. I don't like that. I'm gonna round this part, and I'm gonna get rid of the flat part, and then I'm just gonna tighten it in the right direction. Yeah, I don't like the idea of having the car upside down. Alright, so the latch is on and the cable is run. This is the cable for the release, and I also run the other one. I don't know how well you can see it. This is the emergency release cable, so I'll show you inside what they look like. And that's the handle inside, so I can open it from here, and in case that something happens with that one over there, I have this one here. You see it over there? Over there. So it works as well. I also installed the bonnet, and it closes perfectly, and I'm happy with the gaps. And we are good, I think. Let me show you the gaps. So this gap here is a little bit small, but I'm happy with it actually. And on this side, this gap looks pretty decent. I just noticed this is a little bit low, but there's a buffer here that I can adjust. I can raise it a little bit. That side is a little bit too high, so we're gonna drop that side. Let me go closer. Yeah, this buffer we're gonna have to drop a little because it is too close, too high. And this gap is a little bit bigger than the other side, but I think I can live with that. This is, you know, this is not the bonnet that I worked with all the time. They changed it in the body shop, and I was really upset about that. But that's I'm not gonna go back to that. Remember, here I had issues and blah blah blah. Anyways, so I'm happy now with this. I can live with that, and we can go further. So now next, I think it's time to install the grille. I already ran the wiring for these two lights. I put the wires in looms, and I secured them with zip ties here, so they don't, like here, so they don't get pulled when something happens. And this loom goes inside and goes. I haven't connected it to anything, just run the wires so I can install the grille and the stainless. Right, for the grille, now there are holes here, openings here for cooling. So through these holes, I'm gonna try to fasten the bottom 4 screws for the grille, and the top ones, they are above the stainless, so for them there's absolutely no problem. So I forgot to show you, but on each rod there are 8 rods, and on each rod there is a rubber like bushing, and now when it went in, now there's another rubber bushing on the other side of the metal. Then I'm gonna have a washer and screen washer and a nut, of course. Okay, so these here are a little bit weird. Some of them go under the stainless, some of them go above the stainless steel, so it was a little bit tricky to fasten them, but I did. When this was off, I lifted this up and tightened them from there. So anyways, now the side, like I showed you, I have made those little brackets and they go, I don't know if you're gonna see it well, but I'm gonna show it to you when it's ready. Like that. In front of the radiator. And actually, you know what? I'm gonna peel this off already. Oh. Okay. Have to use my angle drive because here it's really tight. Okay. And now this can go on. Okay. And if you remember now, here this was rattling. Now it is secure because this bracket here is holding it. So one side is done, let's do the other one. Okay, so it's all done, and both sides, and it looks amazing. I just don't know how I'm gonna keep this clean all the time, but that's another problem. So yeah, with the grille in the front, that looks great, amazing. Okay, now the bonnet is up, so you can see it, but yeah, with the grille it looks complete in the front now. So I don't know how much video I have, how much footage, but I think I'm gonna upload this now because it's been a very long time since I had a video up, so it's time to upload something. So no matter how long is that, I'm gonna upload it, and from here I hope we're gonna go back to our normal schedule. There's so many things that happened in my life recently, but anyways, that shouldn't be on the way of our little show here. So thanks for watching, guys, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.